everyone, I am Praful Dixit. Welcome to this English language class. Our today's chapter is conversion of the sentences of future perfect tense to passive voice. But do you think that just to study the structure and convert sentences is enough? Then no. We should know something about the tense that we are studying. And this is the reason. Before beginning any chapter, we often have a glance at the tense and its use. This enables us not only to know something about the tense, but to use it correctly in our language too. So, before we start our today's chapter, let me tell you that future perfect tense is used for the actions which will be completed by a definite time in the future. This means this tense expresses an action that will be over at a given point of time in future. So, try to frame the sentences of future perfect tense and use them in your language. Let us start today's chapter now. So far as future perfect tense is concerned, we make use of shall and will there. This means we make use of modals. Here, we have to make use of shall have been, will have been like this. I have written here first person shall, second and third person will. This means we make use if the subject is I or we. I is first person singular number and we is first person plural number. Means if the subject is I or we make use of shall. What is the second person? Second person means what? Second person means you. You is second person singular number as well as second person plural number. And third person singular number he, she and it. Third person plural number is there. Means if the subject is second or third person, we should make use of will. We have been using shall and will in this way for a long time. Here, I would like to add one more thing. That if we are determined to do something, if we have fixed to do something, that time we can make use of will. Then let the subject be first, second or third person. If I am determined to do something, I can say I will do this, I will do that in this way. So this is just for your information. Let us start our today's topic. As usual, I have written here the tense future perfect. Then in active voice there is the structure and in passive voice also there is the structure of it. Let us see the structure. See, active voice, subject plus shall or will plus have plus V3 plus object. For passive voice, the structure is subject, in bracket I have written object in active voice, plus shall or will, then have, plus been, plus V3, plus by, plus object. Here again I have written here in bracket subject in active voice. Now let us see the examples. Number 1, Ria will have completed her work. In bracket I have written by the evening. If you want, you can extend the sentence as Ria will have completed the work by the evening. Just for your better understanding, I have kept this in bracket. Okay, so in this sentence, subject Ria, then shall and will according to structure, then have, then V3 is completed and the object is the work. We have to convert this sentence to passive voice now. What to do? Just as we have done earlier. That is, the object will become the subject in passive voice. In this sentence, the object is the verb and the work will be the the object is work and so it will be the subject in this sentence. So, subject I have written and in bracket it is OAV. Means what? Object in active voice. Then what? According to structure, will have. Then what? Been. It is been here. We have also written been. Then V3. This is V3. Then according to structure by, and finally object. In this sentence the subject is Ria, and so it will be the object in passive voice. So the conversion of this sentence to passive voice is the work will have been completed by Ria, and you can extend it if you want by the evening. Extend it as it is. Okay. Now see the second sentence. Ria will not have completed the work. Because of not, the sentence has become negative. How to convert the negative sentence to passive voice? We have already seen this. In the same way, we are going to do this. The work is the object in this sentence, and so it will be the subject. I have written here subject, and in bracket object in the active voice. See here. Then what? According to structure, will have been, and in between will come not, as there is not in the sentence. Okay. Then what? Been, then completed, that is V3, then by, and then Ria. Ria is the subject here. So the sentence will be converted as the work will not have been completed by Ria. Okay, is this clear? One sentence is affirmative and the second one is negative. Here we just have to make use of not and the sentence becomes negative. Next sentence. She will have painted a picture. This is the different sentence. In this sentence, object is a picture. It will be the subject in this sentence. Object of this will be the subject here in passive voice. Then what? Will have been. Will have according to structure, then put by, then V3. What is the V3 here? Painted. Then what? By. Put by here, and then what? Object. Here I have written object her. Why her? Because in this sentence, she is the subject. In one of the charts, we have already seen that she becomes her and he becomes him in passive voice. And here in active voice, the subject is she, and so it becomes her in passive voice. So the conversion of the sentence will be like this. I am reading. A picture will have been painted by her. You can see clearly here the sentence is fully according to the given structure. See, a picture, subject, that is the object in active voice. Then will have. Then what? Been. Then been. V3. Painted is V3. Then by. And then finally object her. Now this is the negative sentence. Let us see. Negative sentence. She will not have painted a picture. Not comes here between will and have. Let us convert this negative sentence to passive voice now. Object in the sentence is a picture, and this will be the subject here in passive voice. A picture, that is subject, and in bracket it is object I have written. This means object in active voice. Then what? Will not have. Here it is will not have. Will not have. Not is used between will and have in both of the sentences. Then what? Been. Use been. Then what? V3. Painted is there, and as it is we have written in the sentence too. Then what? By, and then again object. She becomes her in the sentence. Okay. So the conversion of this sentence will be a picture will not have been painted by her. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 sentences are affirmative and 2 are negative. So let the sentence be affirmative and negative. You have to convert them in this way. So follow the structure and convert more and more sentences. I hope that whatever is explained here is clear to you. We will see you soon today. Bye-bye. Thank you.